Welcome to my Asad review channel. Want to boost your profits by tapping into hugely profitable funnel, websites and membership sites industry. Never seen before WordPress technology that creates ultra-fast and high-converting limitless funnels, professional business websites and membership sites in 5,000 real business niches for lifetime for a low one-time price, making us $878.8 bare minimum daily by instantly creating and selling 100% industry standard marketing funnels, websites, landing pages and membership sites with no prior coding or designing skills. First to market, next-gen technology that helps newbies create professional mind-blowing funnels, business websites and membership sites in 3 clicks. Instantly create high-converting page funnels, lead funnels, launch funnels, webinar funnels without even a single line of code or design skills. Use world's most innovative drag and drop website builder to edit anything in few seconds. Ensure effortless monetization globally with payment gateways integrations from PayPal, Stripe. Get over 5,000 high converting page templates crafted by experts in 1,000 red-hot niches. Smartly create mind-blowing, mobile-friendly websites and landing pages to convert random visitors into happy customers. One-click AI-assisted page creation to create any page for any niche or audience. Build your own funnel, websites, membership sites on your own domain and servers to boost your branding. Stop paying thousands of dollars monthly to Stone Age funnel and membership site builders. Use these industry standard funnels, websites and membership sites to create multiple set and forget passive income streams. No third-party dependency ever. Create everything from one central dashboard. Proprietary tech helps join thousands of marketers who are making billions by selling high-in-demand funnel and website creation services to clients. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology that's never seen before. Friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.